Are you happy with your room?
Yeah, super. Fresh air, fantastic view.
Yes, the lake. We're very fortunate with our view, and you have a lovely weather. Yesterday was quite different, but now it should stay. It should stay pretty. So it will be just down there. Would you like to take the lift or?
No, we go to stairs. So famous stairs.
More exercise.
From this building, when you was built?
Oh, it was in 1868.
Mm-hmm.
So it's quite an old hotel. So it has changed many times, but kept the same atmosphere. It was the same part of the building always. We've just renovated a few aspects, but we've kept the same decoration since 2004. And I will be showing you just this room.
Mm-hmm. Так, 204.
Service.
So what type?
So this is a deluxe room with lake view.
So this is different like with the Parma. Blue one. Mm-hmm.
Exactly. And even the walls and the bedding are blue in this room.
Full mini bar.
Absolutely.
So we will get. It's from Hele Chateau.
Yes.
So lake view. Nespresso. You have conference?
Absolutely.